Have you ever wondered about the mysterious and fascinating world of female pleasure? While many people know about clitoral orgasms, few truly understand the hidden potential of a woman's body, like the ability to experience a squirting orgasm. This isn't just a myth or something confined to movies. It's a real and incredibly powerful experience. Yet, for many, this realm remains unexplored due to myths, misconceptions, or hesitation. In this guide, we're diving deep into understanding and achieving squirting orgasms in 6 simple but effective steps. These steps will not only enhance your connection with your partner, but also open doors to new dimensions of intimacy and trust. So let's break down the mystery, debunk the myths, and embark on this journey to deeper pleasure and connection. Step 1. Preparation is key. Before diving into this experience, preparation sets the foundation. First, encourage your partner to visit the restroom. Many women feel a strong urge to urinate during G-spot stimulation because of the area's proximity to the bladder and urethra. By emptying her bladder, she can relax and fully immerse herself in the sensations without worry. Next, create a comfortable setup. Place towels or waterproof blankets under her to protect your space and make her feel more at ease. Squirting can release a significant amount of liquid, and being prepared ensures the focus remains on pleasure rather than cleanup. Communication is crucial here. Explain the process and reassure her that it's completely normal and okay. The key to unlocking this level of intimacy starts with a safe and relaxed mindset, which begins with thoughtful preparation. Step 2. Create a relaxed environment. Comfort and relaxation are essential for exploring new levels of pleasure. Start by ensuring your partner feels no pressure to achieve a squirting orgasm. This isn't a goal-driven process. It's about enjoying the journey and creating a safe space where she can let go of inhibitions. Help her unwind by dimming the lights, playing soothing music, or lighting candles. Reassure her that even if the experience doesn't lead to squirting, it's still about connecting and exploring together. If she accidentally releases urine during the process, remind her that it's perfectly natural and nothing to be embarrassed about. The more relaxed and safe she feels, the easier it will be for her to embrace the sensations. Emotional connection and trust are the foundation for reaching this level of intimacy. So take your time and make her comfort your priority. Step 3. Arouse her first. Before focusing on the G-spot, build her arousal to heighten her sensitivity and receptiveness. Start with gentle kisses, soft touches, and strokes on her thighs, belly, and breasts. The goal is to awaken her senses and increase blood flow to her erogenous zones. Clitoral stimulation plays a crucial role here. Use your fingers, tongue, or a toy to gently tease her clitoris until it becomes engorged. Pay attention to her body's signals. Deep breathing, moaning, or subtle movements indicate rising arousal. This stage isn't about rushing. It's about creating an atmosphere of anticipation and pleasure. Building arousal allows her body to respond more intensely to G-spot stimulation later, setting the stage for a potentially mind-blowing experience. Step 4. Stimulate the G-spot. Once she's highly aroused, shift your focus to the G-spot. This sensitive area is located about 2 inches inside the upper vaginal wall and has a slightly ridged texture. To find it, gently explore with your fingers using a come-hither motion. Begin with slow, steady strokes. Circular motions, gentle tapping, or back-and-forth movements can work well. Use plenty of lubricant to ensure comfort and avoid irritation. As her arousal builds, gradually increase the speed and pressure of your movements. Pay attention to her responses. Each woman's preferences are unique. Communication is key, so ask her what feels best and adapt accordingly. By stimulating the G-spot with care and attentiveness, you're paving the way for her to experience deeper sensations. Step 5. Build up to the release. When her G-spot begins to swell and engorge under your touch, maintain a consistent rhythm. This is the point where things intensify. Add clitoral stimulation if she enjoys it, as the combined sensations can amplify her pleasure. Encourage her to relax and let go, especially if she feels the urge to pee. Reassure her that this is a natural part of the process, and that letting go is the key to reaching a squirting orgasm. Once she begins to squirt, stay present and maintain your rhythm. Avoid pulling away or stopping abruptly. This could interrupt her climax. Remember, a woman's G-spot sensitivity doesn't immediately diminish after orgasm, so she may want to continue exploring. Step 6. Enjoy the afterglow. After experiencing a squirting orgasm, the intimacy doesn't end there. Many women are capable of multiple orgasms, or may wish to continue with other forms of pleasure. Tune in to her needs, whether that means cuddling, continuing stimulation, or simply enjoying the moment together. Take time to appreciate the connection you've created. Share how the experience made you feel and encourage her to do the same. This strengthens your emotional bond and opens the door for further exploration in your intimate life. Remember, the afterglow is just as important as the act itself. It's a time to celebrate trust, vulnerability, and the deepened connection between you and your partner. Exploring new dimensions of intimacy can be both exciting and transformative. Squirting orgasms aren't just about physical pleasure, they're about trust, vulnerability, and the beautiful connection between partners. By following these 6 steps, you're not only unlocking a new level of physical intimacy, but also deepening the emotional bond you share. Remember, every woman's body is unique, and the journey is as important as the destination. Approach this with patience, curiosity, and care, and you'll create experiences that bring you closer than ever before. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights into love, intimacy, and connection. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the magic of intimacy.